Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix emoji missing on your iPhone. So if you're trying to use your iPhone keyboard and then you discover that the emoji is missing, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you're able to fix your iPhone emoji missing, then don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to fix emoji missing on your iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on general. Now under general, you want to scroll down, keep scrolling until you get to keyboard and click on that. Now under keyboard, locate and click on keyboards. Then click on add new keyboard. Here, you want to search for emoji keyboard. So go ahead and search for emoji. Then once you have emoji under iPhone keyboards, go ahead and click on that. Then hit the back button. Now under keyboard, you now have emojis. Then hit the back button. Now when next you open your iPhone keyboard, you should be able to use emojis on your iPhone. You see that? So that's exactly how to fix your iPhone emoji missing either on iOS 18 or earlier version. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.